Hey guys, it's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury real estate experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
And of course, now that you've done that, I'll share with you where we find ourselves today. Today we are in the Midway Hollow neighborhood of Dallas, Texas, which is located only 15 minutes from downtown Dallas, about 10 minutes from Love Field Airport, 5 minutes from Galleria Mall. So I can't wait to show you guys this. There's a lot of new construction going on in this neighborhood. Yeah, I know you're gonna love this house. Sheila, tell us more about this one.
Yes, this is a 5-bedroom, 4.1 baths. It's 4,965 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,895,000, which is $382 a square foot. It has a 3-car garage, and it's also sitting on a 9,975 square foot lot.
Wow, that's pretty good value for the house, and it comes with a pool. Anyways, can't wait to show you guys.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Guys, hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Or if you're in the market to sell your house in today's market for top dollar, or maybe you're moving to Dallas or you already live here but looking to buy a house, please reach out to us by filling out a buyer or seller consultation form down below. And
please comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And of course, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.